Have you ever faced a frustrating issue while working with data in R? If you've been struggling with a non-equi join using data.table and noticed a missing column, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're diving into this common problem and how to resolve it. I understand how perplexing it can be when your output doesn't match your expectations. You expect to see all the columns from your left table, but somehow one crucial column is missing. This is a common scenario that many users encounter. Let's look at a specific case. One user recently asked, "Why is the month column missing from my left non-equi join output in data.table?" They provided their code and expected to see the month column retained in the output. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be happening here? When performing a left join, you might expect all columns from the left table to be included. However, due to the nature of non-equi joins, certain columns may not appear in the output. Let's break this down. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why the month column is missing, but also learn how to retain it for your further data manipulation. To retain the missing month column in the output, the user can modify the join operation. Specifically, they should include the month column explicitly in the output by using the notation. Next, the user should ensure that the join operation is set to retain all rows from DT1. This can be done by specifying the nomatch parameter correctly. After making these adjustments, the user can run the modified code. This should result in the output containing the month column along with the other expected columns. Finally, the user should verify the output to ensure that the month column is now included and that the data is accurate. This can be done by printing the output. Fun fact, did you know that data.table is one of the fastest packages for data manipulation in R? It's like having a sports car for your data. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user automates the process of retaining all columns from both datasets during the non-equi join. They suggest using the mget function to dynamically retrieve column names and set them appropriately in the output. Here's a pro tip. Always double-check your join conditions and the columns you want to retain. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to retain the month column in your non-equi join output. Remember, understanding your join operations is key to effective data manipulation. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.